So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a freeze frame in iMovie on your iPhone device. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie app. On there you can start a new project on which you want to add a freeze frame, or you can choose one of the projects you already have. So let's choose one of these and then click on edit. After that you can see there's a couple of things on there. Now the important thing about freeze framing, your video has to be somewhat long, and you will need to select if you want a certain part. So you want this frame to be frozen, click on this, and you can see at the bottom the scissor option. You can see then this speedometer. You can also see the sound, text, and filter options. So let's choose this speed option, and you can see the options freeze, add, and reset. So let's go ahead and click on freeze, and you can see here freeze, and it says how long should that freeze frame take. So if it freezes on here and lasts, let's say half a second, it's going to extend the runtime of your project. So make sure that you know how much you want that freeze frame to last and calculate exactly how long that freeze is going to take. So you can see here, now it's frozen for a bit and then it continues. So we get to this little freeze frame and now it stays on one frame. And after that, you can see everything is returned to normal. So that's how you can create your freeze frame, just by clicking on here and finding that freeze option on the speed options. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.